What if the chapter you keep rereading was never supposed to be the ending? Every time you think about your past, you open the same page. The same mistake, the same regret, the same disappointment. Until one day, you forget there are chapters you haven't written yet. This is Vibe Mode Reset, a modern alternative to traditional meditation. And today, we're taking back the pen. Take one slow breath in and let it out. Good. Now think about this. Every person has a story. Some chapters are filled with joy, some with heartbreak, some with victories, some with moments we'd rather erase. That's life. But here's where so many people get trapped. They stop visiting the past and start living there. Not physically, mentally. They replay the same memory, the same conversation, the same failure, the same version of themselves, until yesterday becomes louder than today. Take another slow breath in and let it out. Good. The strange thing about stories is that the more often we tell them, the more they feel like facts. I've always been this way. I always mess things up. I never follow through. I'll probably never change. Read those sentences again. Notice something? They're not memories. They're conclusions. And once you believe the conclusion, you stop looking for new evidence. You stop noticing how much you've grown. You stop seeing the person you've already become. Because your mind isn't looking for possibilities anymore. It's looking for proof that the old story is still true. And the strange thing is, your mind will always find what it's looking for. If you're searching for failure, you'll remember every mistake. If you're searching for weakness, you'll notice every setback. If you're searching for reasons to stay the same, you'll find plenty. Not because that's your future, because that's where your attention keeps living. Take another breath, slowly in and out. Good. Here's the moment I hope you remember. The chapter that hurt you doesn't deserve to become the title of your life. Think about that. One painful chapter doesn't define the whole book. One mistake doesn't define the author. One failure doesn't decide the ending. But every time you introduce yourself with yesterday, you hand yesterday the pen. And yesterday was never meant to write your future. Only teach it. That's the difference. The past is a teacher, not an address. Read that again in your mind. The past is a teacher, not an address. Teachers prepare you for the next lesson. They don't ask you to stay in the same classroom forever. Take another slow breath and let it out. Good. Today, pick the pen back up. Not because your past didn't happen, it did. Not because the pain wasn't real, it was. But because today, you get another blank page, another decision, another sentence, another opportunity to become someone your old story never imagined. That's how stories change. Not with one perfect moment, with one honest choice. Repeat it again tomorrow and the next day. Until one day, the chapter you thought would define your life becomes the chapter that transformed it. If this reset hit you at the right moment, subscribe and keep Vibe Mode Reset close. Come back anytime you need a fresh perspective, a little encouragement, or the right message at the right time. Now, take one final breath. Close the old chapter. Pick the pen back up. And remember, your story isn't waiting to be found. It's waiting to be written.